Hello everyone. Can you solve the given problem in some seconds? This problem is looking very difficult and time consuming. So in this video, I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems in some seconds. So let's start. In this question, we have P and Q and we want to find the value of P plus Q. Now, I am going to explain how to solve this type of questions in some seconds. So for this, first let x equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus and so on plus 1 upon 1008. It means this is our x. This these values are, this value is equal to x. So now we can say then our p equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x and q equal to 1 upon 2 plus x. Now this implies our p equal to 1 upon 1 plus x LCM, so 1 plus x plus 1, and this implies p equal to 1 plus x upon 2 plus x. So we have p and q. Now we want to calculate p plus q. So p plus q equal to 1 plus x upon 2 plus x equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus x, and this is equal to LCM 2 plus x, so 1 plus x plus 1, and this gives 2 plus x upon 2 plus x, and this is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. So we can solve this question very easily and within a minute, you can say. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The given question was looking so difficult. However, we solved it within a minute. Find more such type of questions. There are the links in the description where you can find many questions. Those are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, railway exam, bank PO, etc. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.